Nissan transmission repair. An automotive transmission is a mechanical device that transfers power from the engine to the wheels of a car, allowing the vehicle to move in either a forward or backward direction at varying speeds. The main objective of the transmission is to enhance the efficiency of torque transmission from the engine to the wheels of the vehicle, considering different speeds and loads. Repairing a Nissan transmission can be a complex and costly process, depending on the extent of the damage or issues. Nissan vehicles are supplied with a variety of transmission choices, including automatic and manual transmissions. The repair protocol will differ based on the type of transmission and the specific problem at hand. Below are the essential steps and considerations to take into account when performing Nissan transmission repair. 1. Medical evaluation. Firstly, it is crucial to determine the problem with the gearbox. Common transmission issues may include gear slippage, sudden shifting, fluid leakage, or unusual noises. An adept mechanic or transmission specialist often performs a diagnostic examination and inspection to ascertain the issue. 2. Examination of transmission fluid. Examining the level and quality of the transmission fluid is crucial. Insufficient or polluted transmission fluid can lead to challenges, and in some cases, simply replacing the fluid and filter might fix minor issues. 3. Comparative analysis of repair and replacement. Depending on the extent of the transmission problem, you will need to decide whether to repair or replace the transmission. Minor issues might potentially be rectified with repairs, but serious problems may necessitate a complete replacement of the transmission. 4. Transmission repairs. If the repair is possible, the mechanic will disassemble the transmission, replace any damaged components, such as clutches, bands, seals, gaskets, or torque converter, and then reassemble it. Ensuring the use of genuine Nissan parts or high-quality replacement components is of utmost importance. 5. Transmission replacement. If the extent of the damage is significant, opting for transmission replacement may be a more financially feasible alternative in comparison to repairs. The procedure for replacing the transmission involves the extraction of the current one and the installation of a new or reconditioned unit. Quality assurance. After undergoing repairs or replacement, the gearbox should be subjected to rigorous quality control and testing to confirm its optimal functionality. 6. Substitution of transmission fluid. It is often recommended to replenish the transmission fluid and filter after major repairs or replacements to maintain the transmission's health. 7. Expenditures. The cost of transmission repairs can vary greatly, ranging from a few $100s for minor issues to several $1,000s for comprehensive repairs or replacements. The costs depend on the work intensity, required components, and the specific problem being addressed. 8. Mechanics who possess formal certification. It is imperative to delegate transmission repairs to professional mechanics or experts who have specialized knowledge in Nissan vehicles and transmissions. 9. Regular maintenance. In order to address transmission issues, it is important to follow Nissan's recommended maintenance schedule, which includes regular replacement and check of the transmission fluid. If you are experiencing transmission complications with your Nissan vehicle, it is crucial to get the problem evaluated and resolved by a skilled technician or an authorized Nissan dealership. They can provide you with the most accurate assessment of the issue and the necessary repairs or replacements.